Okay, here's our Black Widow. She's got a cicada she's eating in her web. So here she is. I say she's about 2 inches because she's a big, big girl. Look at her size. This video is for Maria, Brad, Jennifer, and John. This is a big Black Widow, and this is her cave. So here's her cave right here, and she's just starting to move around the cicada more. So here she is, looking for the insides. She's sucking the juices out of the cicada, digestive juices. What that means is that the spider has bitten the cicada and has injected neurotoxic venom into the cicada. So this video goes out to Miss Christian Purcell. As you may know, Black Widows are very dangerous. The certain Black Widow's venom is as potent as rattlesnakes is. So I never recommend kids going near a Black Widow spider. You will be put in the hospital by this spider right here. So this one gets to be about 2 inches. And is very territorial over web. Her name is Cleopatra. As you can see, Cleopatra has a cicada tied up in her web. So this is her enclosure. I'm looking right at her on my screen. She's right here. So she's got a big cicada in the web. Black Widows are fast things to look at. Miss Maria, here's Cleopatra's enclosure. This is how big she is from Mark Davis. And this is her setup. And I'm going to show you the front side of the enclosure. Look at this. Here's her enclosure. Here's the web and here's the prey. Right here from Mark Davis. So we're going to wrap around now and just hope she doesn't mind me. Here she is. These spiders are venomous. Bites from a Black Widow commonly wear though. Certain Black Widow, if you're putting your bicycle up, anything, do not ever put your hand in a Black Widow's nest, because she will bite you eventually, and the venom causes cramps for 2 to 3 weeks, for months, even months. If the kid is bitten, it'll be fatal. So, if a kid is bitten by Black Widow, seek medical treatment immediately from Mark Davis. And also be aware, Black Widows have the most toxic venom of any spider. So, their venom is as potent as a rattlesnake's venom is. That being said, there's anti-venom for this species. And it's the cousin of the Australian redback spider, or the Australian Black Widow. If you encounter a certain Black Widow, give Mark Davis a call, and I will come and remove this spider from Mark Davis.